Hello Bladers! The rainy season is fast approaching. We have to prepare for it. Car care is a must. You wouldn't want to ruin that perfectly shining paint now, would you? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the steps to maintain your car during the rainy season. Number 1. Exterior coating first. Apply protective coating to protect your car exterior from countless threats like mud, dirt or abrasive materials which often come with the rain. Applying protective coats is definitely the first tip to mention. Number 2, then comes a thorough wash after rains. The car exterior is still likely to have water or dirt trapped inside, which may eventually cause serious damages to car parts. It is crucial to keep the car gloss and operation efficiency, so better clean immediately. You can think of some cleaning products like deep cleaning foam, which removes stubborn grit stuck in the paint or hard to reach areas. Places that shouldn't be overlooked are wheels. Number 3. Wheels and tires once again. Each of the car's special parts needs different protective measures, and not all are the same. For wheels and tires, a quality tire dressing kit is a must in your home at all times. Besides, to ensure rubber tires are safe against harmful elements during rainy weather. Do you agree with our list of tips to maintain your car during the rainy season? Or did we miss some of your ideas? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.